Roulette is an exciting and fast-paced game at the casino that's simple to learn and play. Players simply place their bets, spin the wheel, and wait for the result. This simplicity makes it an accessible and enjoyable game for players of all skill levels. This course will teach you skills to learn how to create the game of roulette in Power Apps. In this course, you'll learn how to create a roulette table from scratch, to create a random number from 1 through 36, how to display the past winning numbers, how to create hot and cold numbers, how to place your bet, how to calculate your winnings. You'll also learn how to add sound and animation, making the game more interactive and fun. So if this sounds exciting to you, then let's start creating roulette.